Okay, I really wanted to do that type of intro. That was awesome. It was fun to film as well. So I guess 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers changed my life is a title that I've seen on YouTube so many times. And I've been thinking about making some sort of video where I sort of celebrate hitting 500 subscribers because that's huge. Even though I am a small YouTube channel, I am able to have the dream of hitting a goal. One of my goals was 500 subscribers. And usually when people are clicking on my channel, I have tutorials, I have how-to videos, and I have stuff that I really enjoy to make in the YouTube space, basically. This video, I feel the need to do something else, to make it more personal. I want this channel to be a bit more personal, and I've been thinking about firing up a vlog channel, a separate channel where I post vlogs. And I know for a fact that I can post vlogs on this channel, but I'm not really sure. So this video is sort of a test, number one, and also a reason for me to celebrate and tell you guys why hitting 500 subscribers were so important to me and why YouTube has been changing my life. Hitting 500 subscribers in itself wasn't anything special. It was super cool, but I knew a while back when I was at like 450 that eventually I will hit 500. I know for a fact that one day I will be hitting 1000 subscribers, and that goal in itself can be a bit more like exciting, but as of right now we are at 550 or so. And the thing is, before I decided to take YouTube seriously was when I first discovered that, okay, this can be super fun. And I started out doing a bunch of gaming videos and stuff like that, but when I did it a bit more serious and I had like a niche, how to do YouTube, take my experience from the video industry by making music videos and other like projects that I've done. And when I tuned it down to YouTube, when it was me, myself, a camera and some lights, it was so much more fun. And when I had a goal in my mind, okay, I'm going to be posting a video each week, every single Tuesday, every single Wednesday. And it's been changing a bit, but to have that goal to try my best to edit a video, film the video, have some sort of script or bullet points. But in order for me to just have that in my mind, I'm going to do this, I'm going to stick to the plan, I'm going to show up to my subscribers. People are asking questions, I'm going to be answering all of the questions in the comment section. All of that stuff has just been super awesome. Have the focus on the right thing. I'm able to just focus on YouTube and it feels so great. It feels amazing. And that's why the title of this video, why is YouTube changing? Like, it's literally been changing my life. The way I'm presenting myself in front of the camera right now is totally different than what I did like 6 months ago. If you don't know, I have ADHD, I am from Norway, I have dyslexia, I have so many small challenges that I need to face every single time I'm making a video. It can be super frustrating because I need to know how to spell words. I have had wrong spellings in my titles. I have had so many different thought processes right now going through my head with my ADHD. The whole challenge sort of has just been super cool and super fun to me. And I have carved out this niche that I'm trying to build. I'm trying to make videos where I, first of all, can inspire new creators to make videos. And number two, take my knowledge from the video industry and from the stuff that I've done from clients that are already doing YouTube, try to combine them to make this channel. It's super fun for me to learn while I'm building my channel. If you can't really tell, this one has been the most fun for me to film. Every single video, and I most likely will turn back to this later on, I am struggling. I'm sitting here like this. Yep, and with him. Like the words doesn't come out because I'm so concentrated of saying the words correctly. I'm so concentrated of saying them correctly, like from Norwegian to English to make sense. And I have all of those conflicting stuff going on in my head. And when I've been editing my videos, I've been struggling so much also because I want it to be entertaining. I want it to be like super quick and snappy, like Mr. Beast style, where everything just works. And I've been animating a bunch of stuff and I've been doing so many different things. But when I let go of all of the bad feelings about, okay, I need to be perfect at this thing, I need to speak clearly, I think in my mind that with the lights and camera and stuff, it looks professional enough. So if someone has a question to how to use vidIQ, how to do this on YouTube, should you upload videos daily, all of this stuff has been super helpful and good to people, and people have been letting me know this in both in the comment section. People have been sending me private DMs and telling me, hey dude, you are doing an amazing job. People have been telling me a bunch of cool, interesting facts about my videos, and I really enjoy it. And even though I only have 500 subscribers, and even though my channel is a bit small, try to teach you guys how are you supposed to get more views when my own videos doesn't get that many views, and in itself it can be super hard. But I know for a fact from my heart that my knowledge around the video industry, working with bigger YouTube channels, seeing behind the scenes, understanding the way of like ads, for example, on TV, everything of that combined, I know for a fact that I can inspire at least one person. And if you are able to do the same thing, that's perfect. So what now? What am I supposed to do now? Next, here's the thing. I have no idea. No, I'm joking. I really want to make more videos that are like this. This has been so much more fun than I thought, but I really enjoy to make this sort of videos where I can just speak from my heart, not think about, okay, I'm going to teach you guys niches or your YouTube title, thumbnail. And that's super good, and I will continue on in that path. But the way I've been making this video today was just amazing. And this is what YouTube is for me, to just be able to have those moments and realizing that I am good, I can make this work. And people don't need to follow the video from start to finish. I will really appreciate if people subscribed and liked and stuff like that. And when people are leaving super good and nice positive comments, it makes my day and it's super awesome. If you're able to subscribe, thank you. Going forward, I don't know if I would like to post vlogs. I know for a fact that I will keep it in the same style as this one. This was awesome. And hopefully when I look at the edit and I see the final product and I'm not cringing at myself because I don't pronounce the words perfectly, hopefully we can continue on in this path because this was super fun. As of right now, if I'm able to tell you guys about the way you should make your videos about in this sort of way, where I'm able to film something in the start, turning on my mixer, the lights and stuff like that, it's just super fulfilling to me. And in order for me to just talk from my heart with no script, nothing, I just have some bullet points on my prompter here. If I'm able to do that in the like from now on and out, and I don't care about my pronunciation, I don't care about how I look, my hair and everything, goddamn, I should have made this video so much sooner. So realize, take a step back and realize what you have achieved. If you are able to hit 10 subscribers, all of your friends decided to subscribe, that's awesome. The point is, take a moment, look at what you have done, look at your channel. If it is for you to build sort of like a studio, if it is for you to start on YouTube, if it is for you to start a shorts channel, posting once a week, whatever it is, if you are able to do the same thing that I was able to, just do one thing at a time, don't overthink, and just go on with your life. Essentially, you will learn from your mistakes, and after a while, after you have done a few mistakes and you look back at the mistakes, and you improve your channel, you will improve yourself. So yeah, take the opportunity, post how many times you want on your channel, post once a week, 2 times a week, it doesn't really matter. Go and make YouTube videos. It will change your life. It did change my life sort of, and I have already started with my 500 subscribers. So yeah, this is a sort of a super random video. This video feels crazy. I'm not sure if a lot of people will watch from the start to finish, but if you did, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Watch this video next. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.